Hello there, my name's Alex from Gardening Express, and today we're going to be looking at the wonderful, versatile and very productive tomato plant. Behind me we've got wonderful varieties of tomatoes at Gardening Express, from Mount Vesuvius to Giraffe to Ladyfingers, and also the one that you can see just directly behind me, which is the Garmella. Now that's a US bred tomato plant. It's a wonderful deep tone of red with lovely stripes on it too. They can grow from anywhere between sort of 1.2 to 2 meters tall. They can be very large plants. You can grow them upright or in beds and borders, as you can see behind me. If you're thinking to start growing things in your garden and you're not sure what to grow, a tomato plant is a really fantastic place to start. You're also going to get something that you're going to enjoy afterwards, and with us at Gardening Express there's a lot of varieties of tomatoes. Now the benefit of that is that you don't get those varieties in the supermarkets always. So you can grow all sorts of different flavors of tomatoes and different types of tomatoes so that you can really optimize anything in the kitchen, from salads to sauces and whatnot. You'll have a big variety and big spread of tomatoes available at your fingertips. So I know what some of you are probably thinking. What's the point? I may as well go down to the supermarket, get myself a packaged tomato, open her up, and it's there. However, this is cheaper, and what's easier than going into your own garden, taking a tomato off of the vine and enjoying it then and there. So, if you want to enjoy all of those things, make sure that you visit us at Gardening Express so you can buy your tomato plant today. So if you've enjoyed this video about all of the variety of tomatoes that we sell at Gardening Express, make sure that you like, subscribe and share this video with everyone who may be interested too. If you want to know more about these tomatoes and other plants like it, make sure that you visit our Knowledge Hub at Gardening Express so you can learn more about these tomatoes and a lot more other things. Thank you very much.